Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Khan's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a butterfly or spatchcock chicken. It is very easy and very simple. Let's start. To make a spatchcock or butterfly, you need a very sharp knife, and I took about 1 kg chicken. You can take it with the skin or without skin. First of all, we will take out the wish bone. It is just under the neck, on the top of the chest. You just make a cut, a small cut here, and it is very simple to take it out. And it is a V-shaped bone. So like this, you just put your finger inside and pull it down, pop it up. See, like this. After this, we will remove the backbone. You can take the kitchen scissor or you can take the knife. With the help of knife, if you are not comfortable with the knife, you can use the scissor. So you just cut from both sides, remove the backbone like this. So it's came out. You can use this bone for the chicken stock, for any soup. After removing the spine, I will remove the keel bone. You can remove this fat and clean it up later on. Keel bone is in the center of the chest, so just little bit insert the knife, but don't insert too much, because if you will insert too much it will become in two pieces. So very gently just remove it, and with the help of thumb remove the meat which is attached with this. So like this. Now with the help of hand and remove this completely bone, like this. It will come out and it will look like this. Now it is done. In the next video I will tell you how to make barbecue or grill, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.